streaming. All right, so I think I'm good there. Let's make sure that it's working. All right. I'm good there, and I'm live on TikTok. Awesome. Let's go ahead and figure out what is actually going to happen today. So right now, I'm just sitting on my hands waiting for a good opportunity. We have our watch list, but we're not really seeing anything that's popping up. We have BRQS right now. That's on the top of my stocks, the top of my watch list right now. BRQS is the hot. Keep it on high watch. It's not my. Doesn't have much new. I mean, purchased 5G license with Qualcomm. So that's a large cap, and I'm invested in that. So BRQS. I do like where this could possibly go. I do think what happens last time when we gap up, usually. We gap up, give everything back. Gap up, give everything back. Gap up, give everything back. Gap up, run, give most of it back. I think that day it looks like, I mean, we'll see. This is a previous runner. Gap up, give everything back. Gap up, run. Gap up, run. So anything is possible with this. Excuse me. We had a lot of action off this doji candle. Excuse me. Once we broke off of 2 days ago high, and we found a support, and we ran from there. Let's see really what happens. I'm just kind of right now. The RSI in the 5 minutes is at 93. 93. That's crazy. But we're still just sitting on our hands. Right now, RSI in the 1 minute is at 72. RAPT. I don't like RAPT. Not at all. All right. Good morning. Right now, we are just sitting on our hands waiting for a good opportunity. Again, trading is boring. Trading is risky. Most beginner traders lose money. We're just sitting on our hands waiting for the best opportunity. We do have BRQS. If we do break over 25, 25.3, we are most likely going to be, if we break over this previous high in this level, I could see us ripping all the way up to 30, possibly even higher. We have that the 50 SMA on at 27 cents. But enough talking about this. This is not the best setup. I'm not going to take it. So let's go ahead and cover today's watch list, starting with VERU. We had a very nice pop and drop from VERU. Nice continuation into after hours, and we are dropping now. Doesn't look like we are gapping up a crazy amount, but we are holding our gains, which is nice. We break over 1678. I mean, over 1678 or 1673, we could see it up to 18, then 20 bucks potentially for VERU. I'm not going to be trading this below 1445. No news. PBTS as well, no news. We are coming into the 200 SMA on the 5 minute. We'll have to see what happens here. But I'm not a huge fan of it. BPTS, again, no news, has around a 6 to 7x relative volume and 25 million in float. So that hits our criteria. Besides the news, there's no news. The volume's there, the float's there. So PBTS is one of the top stocks we're watching. We also have CRXT. CRXT closed yesterday just at $1. We're chilling right now at around 127. So we're up around 27%, maybe a little bit less, but we are still holding a lot of our gains. Again, we ripped up 76% and then gave back around 40 to 50 of it. No news. Don't really see the float or the volume, so really just going to be waiting on that. We have DLPN, very choppy. Not looking at. I don't like this at all. Again, lowers price target to 12 bucks. That's all the news I see. Lowers price target to 12 bucks. I'm not liking that. Very high, just get rejected coming up above 5. So no, I don't think DLPN is the stock to watch today. DLPN as well, I don't see it on our gappers anymore. We closed at 386. and now we're chilling. I mean, we are up 16%, nothing crazy, but I am going to delete this DLPN from the watch list because I don't like it at all. We also have KLDO. I don't see news, but this is on a watches. We could have a downtrend break possibly. Not the best setup. I don't think I'm gonna take it personally, but I might dabble in it. We have the 200 SMA on the 5-minute coming in at 36 cents. Let's see if this can actually hold. Maybe look for a nice washout into a nice pop from KLDO. But they did get delisted. They voluntarily delisted, so I don't know if I want to take this actually. We'll have to see what happens. And then BRQS. Well, KLDO actually has around 4x relative volume and 20 million in float, so that's the criteria, but again, I'm not a huge fan of it. And then we have BRQS. Now it looks like we came up, got rejected. We've just been pushing up into this 25-cent region, and we're just getting rejected. Break over 25, I could see this absolutely moving up to 27, 28, possibly even $30 or 30 cents. Excuse me. We have decreasing volume in the buying pressure. I think this does have more room lower. So I mean, right now we are sitting on our hands, waiting for the best opportunity. Oh. All right. At the moment, we are not trading anything. We are sitting on our hands waiting for the best opportunity. I don't like anything. Nothing looks good. Let's go and look over what our cryptocurrencies are doing. Alethea AI, I want that to pull back more. Need that to pull back more, I should say. I mean, we are getting some more volume coming in. Let's jump in a little bit more. Not really liking it too much, but we also are looking at VXV. We got a double top, might be an inverse head and shoulders pattern, might be looking to buy more here for the break back up to $3. Then we have Ethereum. What's going on with Ethereum? Let's go back over the daily chart. This looks just like a clear downtrend, decreasing volume to the upside with confirmed selling off the 9 and 20 EMA. We'll see if the sellers will continue to take it and break us through the 50 SMA. Bitcoin. Bitcoin was breaking out of this ascending triangle, looking to break, then just got rejected back down into this area. If Bitcoin doesn't look like it's gonna hold this. Honestly, like this is our ascending triangle here. This is usually a bullish sign. We'll have to see what happens with Bitcoin. We might be squeezed, but this to me is starting to look like a bear pennant, a bear flag to the downside. And I think that's going to send us back down to around 30. Yeah, I think it's going to send us down to around 38. So at 39 or 29, excuse me, for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin breaks 40,000, and if Bitcoin breaks 39,000, we're coming down to 30. That's what I would say. I would say if we have to make sure that we're coming down to 30 if we break this area. Bitcoin just doesn't look. We had the head and shoulders pattern and then break lower. It's just not looking good at all. We have MTV as well, not looking good. Dumped out of this falling wedge. I'm just gonna scale into this. And we could have a downturn on the play, but we're going to go ahead and move back over to equities and the stock market and really just kind of see what's going on. And nothing's moving. I'm not a huge fan of anything. We have around 9 minutes left till market open. We're going to be sitting on our hands waiting for the best opportunity. It looks like we might break here. Looks like we might break. We have increasing volume. Let's see if we can snap. We have a big seller at 25.30. Let's see if this big seller at 25.30 gets taken out. There it is. 25, 25.70, 25.90, 26. We're starting to get rejected here. Let's see if the volume starts to continue just to rip. We have very light volume. We have, there. No, we're starting to get heavy. We're starting to get the volume starting to come in. Looking to close below. This possibly could be a market maker move. We're up 50%. I would like us to hold this area, and I would look for a washout long here. I would look for a washout long potentially. With a nice move higher. There's the confirmed selling pressure. Oh, yeah, here we go. What's up? Good morning. Bob of Facebook, go up or down? No idea. I don't really trade large caps. I do know Twitter is up because Elon Musk has offered to buy 100% of Twitter for $43 billion. What stock is this? We have BPT. Sorry, give me. That was my dog. We have BPTS, VERU, CRXT, KLDO, and BRQS. And if you didn't catch it, go ahead and swipe over and come over to my YouTube. Links in bio, or you can do stock talk trades on YouTube, no spaces, and you'll be able to see my face. You'll be able to see a watch list as well. Good morning, Yasmin. How you doing? We have CEI ran up yesterday. Crypto Cole, gotcha. Why is that? Not seeing. Not seeing my. Give me one sec. At George. All right. So CEI ran up yesterday. Let's go on with CEI. Ran up yesterday. Yes, it did. Why is that? To upset victory against Tesla. So Reddit investors propel Camber Energy. Okay. I mean, closed at 82. We're gapping down right now. People are sending gifs about Elon Musk buying Twitter. I love it. Guys, I'm not liking anything. I'm not really liking anything. I'm sitting on my hands because I can't really like. I mean, really, what I would be watching is KLDO for the nice washout. Looks like we got some volume at this level. We also have some selling up at VWAP. People are looking to sell when we crack over VWAP. I would be looking with this. I would be looking for a nice 40. I'd be looking for 2 cents. That's it. SO. Elon is great. He has no filter. I know. I love Elon. I don't know how anybody cannot like Elon. I'll look at that in a sec. I want to see if I can get a good washout long here. I don't think I will be able to. Oh! Look, there's a good washout. You're up a cent already. 2, but you know, I'm not doing anything. SONM. Let's go to I'm just seeing how much these options are moving. Oh, we got CRXT. Not liking this. We might get a small pop here, but I'm not liking it. Oh, we've KLDO. The washout would have been a very good trade. Let's see a retest. Come on, I want you to continue to come down. I'm going with around half my position at the beginning. Oh yeah, there's the dump. Oh, man. CRXT is moving. We have 225 people in this. Let's try to get to 500 likes. I know we can. Right now, guys, we have plenty of things running. CRXT, rug pull, not liking that. We'll see. I mean, we popped over the previous high and then got hit with some selling pressure here. The next best stock is KLDO. Look at KLDO. It is kind of pulling back here with decreasing volume. Stops would be below 42. Stops would be below 42, but I don't like this. It does look like it's going to pull. It's going to be just not a fun. I don't even know what's. I'm not taking it. I don't trust it at all. I don't trust any of these stocks at the moment. We have CRXT currently moving up. This is probably the one that I trust the most, even though I was just shilling it, saying that it might come down. I mean, we'll have to see what happens. We are at 149. Should have taken it over 141. But we'll see what happens. I think we do have room if we break 150 up to around 165 and then 176 for the possible break. Well, over 176, next target's going to be $2. Let's see what's happening. We are watching CRXT. We have LEGA. Not liking it. We also have ESCA. Not liking it. So we're going to be sticking with CRXT. We have RAD. What's going on with RAD? I'm not liking it. 153. Okay, I'm starting to like this now. Let's see it pull back here. I want to see it hold, but not like. Sorry, I can't talk right now. I mean, I honestly think we're going to see this. I want to see it pull back at just a little bit more decreasing volume and then see this absolutely moonshot. Not absolutely moonshot. I'm going to be looking for around 20 cents here, ideally. Be patient. Right at VWAP, stops are going to be below 34. I'm going to try to get a nice entry here. Let's see what happens. We have around 20 seconds left until this candle closes. Oh. All right, here we go. I think I missed the entry there. But I'm going to be patient with it and see. Well, I want to see decreasing volume to the downside. Looks like we are going to break this level at 143 or not. We might not. Right now, my stops would have to be around 10 away. I have 500. I'm getting. Yeah, it's too risky for me right now at the moment. I don't see the underlying buying pressure here. Now the volume's starting to come in. I did miss the entry. That's unfortunate, but it's okay. It wasn't the good setup. I would rather miss the trade than take a shitty setup. Light volume, be careful here. You'd be taking profits into this degree. Look for the break. There it is, 156, but we're getting some selling coming in. ATER, nice jump. Want to see decreasing volume here with ATER. Not liking how much. I don't like it. CRXT is what we're watching. 43. That would have been a great trade right there. Should have my stop should have been below this once. I mean, there's really there. I couldn't have had a good entry. I really shouldn't have taken. I didn't really take it at all. I'm glad I didn't take it because it wasn't a good setup, and we were coming into some selling now. So. Twitter puts, because I think Twitter's going dumb because I don't think people believe that Twitter is going to let Elon buy it. And if Elon does not buy all of Twitter, he said he's going to have to rethink what his position is in Twitter. So he's literally forcing Twitter to do what he says, which I personally love it. I love it that Elon's doing that. I think it's amazing. We definitely need someone like that for free speech. It's about time the fucking big tech get shit on and get bullied by some child with billions and billions of dollars. I love it. If Elon Musk isn't... Sheesh, nice setup. Thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, Elon Musk is... I don't know. LEXX halted? Ooh, okay. We popped up. I don't like that long wick. Could have been a scam wick. Oh, excuse me. Could have been a scam wick. But really, what are we looking for? I'm going to be looking for around maybe take around 400 at 411.4. Let's see. I like Lex, but like I do want to see LEXX was halted at 9:38.47. We're going to be live at 9:43.47. So we have around 4 minutes left. So man, guys, I don't even know how this... I'm not good at trading this market. I'm not in tune with this market at all. It's too quick. Or when I meant this market, I mean CRXT. Yes, free speech is 100%. I don't know if you saw. Let's go ahead and pull it up. But with Elon Musk... if we look at what he tweeted, he made an offer. We can see that if... Where is it? Here it is. Over my invested. My offer is my best and final offer, and if not accepted, I would like to reconsider. Oh, you can't even see this. Yeah. So, I'm offering to buy 100% of Twitter. Blah 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 blah. My offer is my best and final offer, and if it's not accepted, I would need to reconsider my position as a shareholder. Twitter has an extraordinary potential. I will unlock it. So if they reject this offer, we're going to see Twitter absolutely dump. But I do think if they accept this, I think we could absolutely see this, like, Twitter totally revamp everything. Like, so, I mean, anything can happen. Homie, talk about ApeCoin. Yeah, what's going on with ApeCoin? Oh, it's Trader View. Let's go ahead and look at some ApeCoin for you. I mean, right now I'm just waiting for setups to form. I'm not really liking anything, so yeah, I'm just kind of chilling on my hands waiting. ApeCoin, here we go. Oh yeah, I mean, if we break over 15, we're coming up to 17.5. Break over that, we're coming up to 28. But I mean, I don't really see much happening with ApeCoin. I mean, I haven't also been following up on the Bored Ape Yacht Club, so. Guys, come over to my YouTube. You can trade with me and see my watch list and see my screen, see my P&L. It's a much better experience. Thank you guys for the likes on the YouTube. Let's see. I mean, we have LEXX. What's going on with LEXX? I think I missed it. No, we're going to be live here at in around 1 minute for LEXX. We also have INZY. Not a huge fan. The daily average, the volume is not there, so I'm not trading it. LEXX. $43.47 is when VERU typical move. What's KLDO? What's going on with KLDO? Oh, I don't like it. That's all him. That is all Josh if he wants that. VERU, dumping, CRXT, LEXX, gapped up. Look for the halt. Look for the halt level fill at 414. Boom, you're up. Boom, you're up 20 cents. That would have been a nice. I just didn't really trust this. So like CRXT, looking for this to get, looking for room back up to 160 potentially here. I want to see this drop a little bit more. So the LX delivers positive results. Clinical study, hyper H21, 3 deliveries. Okay. Yeah, I like Lex. That would have been a good halt strategy, but just CRXT is my top stock to watch at the moment. I want to see decreasing volume over the next 5 minutes for a nice break over this 162 level, 163. Tan H up. Tan H up. Okay, I like this, but today's volume is under 1 million. I don't want to take it. Don't want to take it. There's no news. All right, let's see what happens here. How are you guys doing? Let's try to get to 500 likes on TikTok. I know we can do it. So we'll definitely hit that goal. Thank you. I mean, right now I'm looking at CRXT for the nice pop. We have a big seller. He's gone, or big buyer, excuse me. I am looking for CRXT. I want to see this just, oh. Don't want to see this crack VWAP. We have no news, so it's possible. And if this cracks VWAP, it is cracking VWAP now. Let's see if it can hold VWAP. If it gets a strong, nice close above it, but it doesn't look like it. Looks like the selling pressure is too strong. Oh man, are we going to see the strong close? We have 10 seconds left on this candle. I mean, we are getting a long upper wick. Ooh. I'm not liking it. I have no idea what that means. Guys, come over to the YouTube or give me a follow. I'm gonna post. I post a lot of trading content, crypto content. So, and come over to the YouTube. Oh, VERU is live. Gap down. Decreasing volume on this. I do think we're going to see a nice bounce off this area, off the 9 EMA, possibly back up to 155. ATER. All right, let's go ahead and clear up this watch list. I can't yet. Might be able to do VERU, but I want to wait. TRVI. Not liking it. I can't find you on YouTube. Go ahead and do stock talk trades, no space. It's not cold out ETH. It's stock talk trades, no space. Or you can just swipe over on my profile and click the links and then go over to my YouTube. I'm not liking anything at the moment. Getting a nice bounce here. I think we might see a nice false breakout out of VWAP. VRU cracked the trend line on the 5 minute, should be dumping more. All right, let's see what is going to happen here. Very steep downtrend. I really don't like to trade these. This could be an indecision candle, or this could be a reversal. Anything's possible. This stock likes to gap up and run, and then also gap up, run, give everything back. Gap up, run, give most of it back. So that's what this stock seems to like to do that. So we are going to be careful and make sure that doesn't happen to us. But this could gap down and then rip and I think that's what we're going to see. Maybe CRXT for the nice rip back up to 180 potentially. I mean, we have that volume now starting to come in. I would like to see it start to I don't even know. Just kind of, I want to see what happens. We're going to react to the market. We're not going to anticipate the market. We react to what's happening. Let's see if it cracks over 149. Cracks over 149. We have some sellers. They're taken out. There it is. So I mean, I'm sitting on my hands waiting for the best opportunity. I don't see anything. VERU, what happened there? Nice stop, and then I mean, broke below this previous low. You're up around 20 cents a share at the moment. RSI is low at like 25, but you know, it's okay. Man, that would have been a good entry, but there's no way of knowing. And we're also getting that volume coming in. We could have a nice inside candle here. Maybe that's something that we'll have to look for. An inside. Let's see that. Let's see this start to let's see this have a higher low and look for the break. An ideal higher low. We're going to stay above 145. I'm going to scale in with half because I'm risking 5 cents. And then so I'm fully accepting the $25 risk or 5 cent risk that comes with this. But we are seeing that increasing volume off this trend line. I don't like that high volume on that candle. Looks like it's going to continue to break. I mean, shit. Let's see. We have a minute 30 left until this candle closes, or until this 5-minute candle closes. Let's see a nice inside candle with the possible break of 153. That's what I'm going to scale in, but I am going to scale in on the dip at like 147, 145 in that area. Looking for a nice move higher here. We did make a new high, but I'm not liking it. I don't want to see it crack this 155. I really don't want to see it crack this 155. I'm going to see a nice cup. Pull back here. I'm actually going to delete this trend line. Want to see a higher low down to VWAP at 147. Looks like we're just continuing to break here. But I do want to see, I'm not seeing anything that I like. You guys wouldn't mind, go ahead and shoot me a follow on TikTok. Thank you guys. I'll be posting a lot of content on there. So let's also try to get to 500 likes. I know we can. Guys, I like this kind of V shape, but I want to see a bigger pullback down to 148. I want to see a pullback down to VWAP. I don't know how much I don't know if I trust this at the moment, because this could be, I don't even know what this could be. Yeah, I mean, I just don't, it doesn't look super, super clean to me. I don't know how confident I am in this. I should have bought at 149. There's the opportunity. Didn't see the buying pressure come in. I mean, I'm also sitting by, today's the last day of trading. Tomorrow's a holiday. Yes, it is. Yes, it is indeed. And that would have been a good trade to enter at 149. See if, but the volume's not here, so we might be able, we might not see anything. I do think if we break this, we're coming up to 160 here. Oh, sorry. I haven't made a single trade yet today. Looking for a break, looking for the volume to come back. Here's that volume. I like this increasing volume. Don't like this false breakout. Yeah, I guess you got to be careful. I mean, oh, we have a KLDO broke out of the bear pennant and now moving up, possibly to reclaim VWAP. We'll see what happens. Oh, excuse me. George, BTC starts to rise according to MACD indicator. Nice. Let's go ahead and look at some Bitcoin. We have decreasing volume on the move higher, but also decreasing volume to the move lower. So what we're going to do is actually jump over the 4 hour, see what's happening. So we have a nice, I mean, just higher lows with a nice pop. This could be a diamond bottom pattern. Coming back and retesting it. I'm not really seeing anything on like what's looking more bearish. We are bouncing off the 50 moving average on the 1 hour. So I do think we're going to be somewhat bullish and actually come up into 41 possibly. And then we'll have to see what happens with there. I mean, anything can happen. Don't think we're going to see, if we do break below lower, I mean, below this candle low, we're going to come lower, but we'll see. We have an inside candle here. There's the pop. Oh man, I wasn't able to capitalize on it. We are getting that volume in. That volume, come down, come on. Let's see, join the bid. No. It's looking to break. I didn't want to jump in. I should have. I wasn't confident enough. Fuck. Was not confident enough. That would have been a great trade right over 52. There would have been 10 cents. I'm going to be looking for a retest here. Let's see it close. I'm still not confident in it. I mean, Really don't know what's happening. I mean, we'll see what happens here. Hola, how you doing? Those kind of TikTok live is worth watching. Thank you, thank you. Looking for a slight pullback. There was the decreasing volume pullback into this area. Man, I'm so hesitant today. I am so hesitant today. Everyone's getting rug pulled, so I want to watch out for that. I'm not liking anything. We have very light volume. I missed my trade off the trend line for the break higher. Now we are coming into some selling pressure out of the break of this area. Woo! There's the break above. Very light volume. Let's see if it breaks this. This seller's gone. I want to see the bids get over 164. There it is. Bids over 164. Not looking to jump in here. Let's see what's happening. We're sitting on our hands right now. I hesitated at 152. This would have been a great trade, but still, we just wasn't able to capitalize on it, which is okay. We're coming up into this area at 176. Got rejected here. I want to see it pull back down to this. Lex is on fire. No, that was earlier. That was at 10 a.m. It is 10:05. What is going on with Lex? Did you just... Oh, Lex ripping and then just... Yeah, the price action on KLDO does not look very good. We're up at 67, big seller. Let's see him get taken out. 168, boom. We're still moving higher. We're getting a lot of volume coming in. We have over 800,000 and 30 seconds left. 1,025 seconds left on this candle. All right, we got some QQQ and ATR. We got some profits in chat. ELDN. I'm anxious and hesitant today, so it's okay. What do you major in while trading? So I trade the bull flag, but I don't trade it the typical chart pattern bull flag that you have heard of. I trade the bull flag, but I look at volume. Volume is more important to me than the actual pattern. The pattern could look like shit or it could look great. The pattern could be the most textbook bull flag strategy setup, but I will not take it if the volume does not match, because I trade off the volume that comes with the bull flag. I don't trade the bull flag. I trade the underlying buying demand from the from the bull flag. I look for that underlying demand, enter before the breakout, and sell into greed. Sell into the move higher. I was trying to do that here, but I got too hesitant. We got a profits and profits chats. Let's go ahead and see. What do we got today? We got Kale Sana, 110. Corey, 82. Leon, 35. Yesterday, not much. 300, 200, 20, 192, 2,700. People are killing it so far. People are killing it in chat. Right now, we are just kind of sitting on our hands, waiting for the best opportunity. I'm not a huge fan of anything. We have BRQS currently. Looking like it could be looking to reclaim VWAP here. Nice pop of reclaim. Let's see what's going on with Twitter, because this could be a nice move here. If we got calls, implied volatility is pretty high, but these aren't that 37, 38. Let's go ahead and send this. Send to, wait, let's go ahead and actually see if we can. Options, chart setup. Let me go to send this. Send to yellow. All right, so let's see what's going to happen here. CRXT. Oh, here's a nice retest possibly of this area. This first sign to get out would have been this doji candle with high volume to the upside, or a doji candle with high volume. Let's see, options, profit calculator. What are we looking at? We got Twitter, option. We got weekly, April 22nd, 48 calls. One, calculate. If we see Twitter rally up to 50 today, we'll see, okay. Let's see if we can get a nice move here from Twitter. Hmm. There's that 40, so this is a little bit delayed. We'll see. Oh man, this is absolutely moving. I'm liking this on Twitter at the moment. Let's see. Downtrend break with a red to green move. Hmm. MDVL moving nicely. Oh yes, very nice. Very, very nice. Up 32%. All right, MDVL. Let's see what's happening here. I do like this potential. All right, so we do have MDVL. The volume is, I mean, 10,000 or 10 million average. We are still below. BRQS moving up, but just not moving fast enough for me. Oh my goodness, they're just moving. Oh, coming to that selling pressure at 2. Highest volume now on this candle. All right. Okay, let's see. Oh, we have the VWAP coming down. VWAP is at 175. $176. I was looking for a bounce, but wasn't able to get it. Hmm. Hmm. This is confirmed selling pressure. Looks like it's gonna crack lower. Crack this low. We're gonna definitely hit some stop orders, I should say. Probably gonna come lower. We'll have to see what happens here. I don't like these upper wicks. Twitter still coming down. I want to see a nice bounce off the double bottom or a break of this downtrend or a nice move higher. MDVL, not really seeing anything that I like. VERU. Whoa! VERU! Holy cow! What's going on? VERU. Oh my gosh. Halted at 10:22:02. So we're going to be live at 10:26:02. Hello Daniel, how you doing? VRU absolutely moving. What platform does this operate on? This is TD Ameritrade's Think or Swim. It is free. There are no commissions, there are no fees. So it's completely free, which is nice. But it also that you're giving up the quickness and like speed of your execution. MDVL, I'm not looking to touch this for a little bit. I want to see this pull back more. All my focus goes to VERU. I'm going to go ahead and clear up my watch list. I don't know if I want to trade Twitter. I don't like LEXX. Possibly. Don't really want to. I don't think it'll set up. We'll see. I think VERU is our top stock to watch. While this is halted, I'll be right back. I'm going to use the restroom. Give me 1 second. Tablet, I do not speak Espanol. All right. So VERU is going to be live at 10:27:02. So we have around 2 minutes and 20 seconds for VERU. Hello, how are you guys doing? What do you think about WERT? Not on the scanners, so I'm not going to trade it. My scanners find stocks all over or it's the alpha day trading scanners that comes with the membership. You can see, hide it. This is what we got. Alpha day trading, everything. You get all these scanners. These scan the markets for the best stocks that we want to trade, which is absolutely amazing. These, give me a sec. We want a scrollable. There we go, so I can see it. All right, guys, 27:02 is when we're going to be live, looking to take around 100 shares on this. MDVL back up at 74. No, not back up. We're down at 74. Very light volume here. Let's see it start to crack. If it cracks this area, if it cracks to 175, I think we can come up to 180, but I'm not liking it. VERU going to be live here in around a minute. I'm looking for around 30 cents. Looking for this to come down. And I want this to gap up. We have bids at 19. We have bids at 19. I'm going to look to take this, enter, and then I'm going to put my stops in right away. We have around 20 seconds left until this is live. Let's see what happens. We're finance. What is this called? No, this is TD Ameritrade's Think or Swim trading platform. It's free. There's no commissions and fees. We have 10 seconds left until the VERU gets unhalted. Let's see what we do here. Let's see what we can do here. Want to see it gap up a good amount? Here we go. Gapped up. New high. New high. New high. Watch the quick pullback. There it is. I'll take that. I'll take that. 28.87. There was a perfect. Oh, and if it's ripping, I would have made another. I just didn't trust it. Didn't have my orders how it usually does. And we are absolutely moving. We broke the high. I should have held a little bit longer. That would have been another $60, but you never know. So I'm glad I was able to capitalize on that and take out something at least to end my day. But you never know on these stocks. So that was good. 28.86. Should have held a little bit longer, but I'm glad I was able to come out profitable. So let's go in and what is the best crypto to operate? So when you're operating, it's your trading platform. So there are multiple different trading platforms that you can use. My personal favorite is KuCoin. If we go trade spot trading, you can get all of this, which is amazing. You can get limit orders, you can get market orders, you can put stop limits, login, sign up. It's pretty secure. You have to send money from Coinbase or another wallet. This is what I really, really like, because you can also get 10x leverage on Ethereum, 5x on X, all these. So if you're risky and you want to do that, you can. But all right, what's going on? We have a drive pullback. Wait, what did I get filled at? 16, 78, 77? That was right here. I was up. I mean, I feel like I don't know, but oh well, I'm glad I was able to come out on it. Let's go ahead and update our log P&L for the month. Thursday is 28.87. So at the moment, we had a pretty slow week, and then a unusual big red day there. But glad I was able to capitalize on some of it today, and we are going to continue again tomorrow. There is no trading, so I will see you guys bright and early Monday morning. With hopefully we'll continue the streak and continue to make some money. So thank you guys so much. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.